Let's move on and let's talk about what the domestic queues are going to be looking like. You've got the Reliance AGM today, a potential timeline perhaps on the Jio IPO, or at least a hint of that is something that the market is definitely looking out for, what the FMCG expansion plans are, and then of course anything with regards to a further move into AI. That's something that the street is keeping on their radar. In fact, let me get Ashesha back and analyze and understand what is it that the market is working with in terms of expectations and announcements from the Reliance AGM today.
Well, yes, all eyes on Reliance Industries as its AGM is scheduled to begin at 2 p.m. today, and any kind of commentary with respect to potential listing of Reliance Jio will be keenly awaited. And this, remember, will be a key trigger for the stock going forward, and perhaps we could see some kind of value unlocking for shareholders. Apart from that, any kind of commentary around AI-related plans, not only for Jio but across its business verticals, and commentary on FMCG and retail segment expansion will also be keenly awaited. So these are the three broad expectations that the street is working with as far as Reliance's AGM this time around is concerned. Let's take a look at the kind of commentary Mukesh Ambani has made over the years through its AGM. In 2018, they launched Jio Phone 2, which was available at just 2,999. That big Aramco investment was announced in 2019. In fact, in 2019, when this announcement was made, the stock shot up nearly 10% after this announcement was made. So that's the kind of announcements that we have seen through their AGM over the last few years. Let's also fast forward and take a look at what kind of announcements were made last year. Now, remember, in 2024, they announced a bonus issue in the ratio of 1:1, and that was a big trigger for the stock after that announcement took place. In fact, we also had some commentary with respect to that telecom and Jio business, where they said that they are looking to double the revenue and EBITDA of telecom business over the next 3 to 5 years. So that's the kind of commentary that we have seen through Reliance's AGM over the last few years. As far as the stock price performance is concerned, we try to analyze how the stock has performed 10 days prior to the AGM, on the day of AGM, and 10 days after the AGM. In 2019, as I was mentioning, the AGM where Aramco investment was announced, the stock shot up 7.5% 10 days prior to the AGM, and as much as 9.7% on the day of AGM as well, although we saw muted performance after the AGM was actually done. Meanwhile, in 2024 as well, the stock rose nearly 2.5% 10 days prior to the AGM, and the stock was also up nearly 2 to 3% on the day of AGM. This time around, over the last few days, the stock is up nearly 2.7%. So yes, all eyes are on Reliance AGM today afternoon, and any kind of commentary, particularly with respect to Jio listing, will be keenly awaited.
All right, thank you so much, Ashesha, for getting us